This is a friendly fish that just wants to be petted. Hello folks, welcome to a new video where I will show you some of the beautiful moments in nature that will help you relax. I hope this video will brighten your day and put a smile on your face. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to Amuser channel. Let us start. Here is a beautiful mother lynx with her cubs. This little moose calf is practicing its charge against a tree stump. This is how it looks flying through the mountains from an eagle's point of view. Here is a saw-scaled viper in defense mode. This curious Arctic fox is trying to steal some fish from a fisherman.
Вот ты наглый, вот ты наглый, что ты ждешь? Как так можно? Ну нельзя быть таким наглым. Ваня, не наглей так сильно. Ну куда ты? Что у тебя? Блин. Ну ты наглый, а? Как так можно? Не ешь, не ешь, не ешь. Фу! Это моя мойва! Моя рыба, говорю! Моя! Лунка моя, рыба моя! Вот ты гад! Ладно, бери. Молодец. Считай, что выкопал. Это тебе за фокус. Выкапывай. Красавчик.
This is how scallops swim. Here is a sloth and an anaconda meeting each other. This is a dragon-headed caterpillar. Here is a buck and a rabbit hanging out together. Here is a young swordfish swimming around a marina. This red crab is feasting on the thousands of newly hatched babies she laid a month before. When threatened, Fulmar chicks vomit a sticky orange oil at the predator. The oil glues feathers to stop flight. When the bird goes to water to rinse the oil in water, it loses buoyancy and drowns. Here is just an orangutan rowing a boat. This curious buck is checking out a cat. This palace cat gets ambushed during his hunt. These two mooses are fighting on a driveway. These campers woke up to a pride of lions, licking the condensation off the side of their tent. This is how seals move on land. This horse eats a chick in front of the hen. Here are two marmots fighting. This is a frogmouth bird in camouflage. Here are gelato monkeys baring their fangs. This mama mouse is leading her babies. That is all for this video. I hope you like it. Let me know in the comments which part you liked the most. Don't forget to subscribe to Amuser channel if you would like to see more such videos. Later folks.